5 simple measures to not fall sick during rainy weather. Point number 1. Take quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, mix it with honey and take it in the morning. Point number 2. Make a decoction with dry ginger, that is salt, black pepper and coriander seeds. Point number 3. Avoid taking curd and citrus fruits. Point number 4. Avoid taking daytime nap. Point number 5. Avoid taking head shower after 6 p.m. and if you do so, make a point to put Rasanadi Churna on middle of your head. For more such health tips, follow Access Ayurveda by Dr. Nivedita.